Hi friends, I'm Robin. Welcome back. Nice to meet you in this video. So, do you know the game called as TikTok? Everyone in this world might have played. Nowadays, at the olden days, we used to play it in paper. We used to use a pen, pencil, and play. But nowadays, what everyone are doing? Everyone are doing it in their laptop or mobile. So, have you ever think how the TikTok game is designed? And what is the code behind it and how it is done? When we press first button it's displaying as X, and when we press second button it's coming as O. Have you ever wondered? In this video I'm going to show you how it is done using Python programming. Okay, first let me show you how the output is. So see, this is my TikTok game which I have designed. When I press the button 1, X is displaying, and when I press it next time anywhere, suppose I'm pressing it here, so O. Suppose I'm pressing it here, the X. I'm pressing it here, O, and I'm pressing here X. So here X comes, and a command prompt displayed called as congratulations, X player won the game. And do you want to play again? So if I press yes, it's coming again. So X, now it's coming O because it's second time. So we are starting with O, then X, O, X, O. So congratulations, player O has won the game. Do you want to play again? No. Then it will get exit. Now I'll tell you how the code is. So this is the code for this. Just a simple method. When you note this, you can understand. Just see this. It's this is one button. This is one button. This is one button. Totally, we have created here 9 buttons, and in every button there is a function running. So okay, now I'll tell you how it is happening. So this tinker.import is used to get everything like our header files. And what is this message box? At last, a small command prompt displayed like message box. Do you want to continue? Yes or no? That is why we are using the word message box here. And tk, so for tinker we are using shortly as tk equal to none. So this is our first function. Okay, first let us start with our buttons. After that we'll come to function. When we take this button, so what happens here is, see this properly. If button 1 equal to X and button 2 equal to X and button 3 equal to X, or button 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the possibilities of X, like this, it can be like this, it can be like this, it can be like this, or it can be like this. All the possibilities of X I have written here, and I have put. If it is like that, then answer is equal to tinker.messagebox. So what I'm calling dot message box, I'm giving the message box, and in message box I'm giving us ask question. So it will ask this question, do you want to play again? And it will display as congratulations, X player won the game. And after that, see, if answer equal to yes, then start. So if answer is yes, then it will go to the start. Here it will come to the start, it will come to this loop. So in the same way we have did it for X, the same way we are doing it for O. If it is button 1, button 2, button 3, all the 3 are O, or button 4, button 4, all the possibilities. And after that we are giving printing again the message box that player 0, sorry, O has won the game, and do you want to play again? If he plays yes, then it will go to start, or if he presses no, it will exit the map. That's all. Only these two. Even you can add for tie also. If the match ties here, nothing will come. It will just stand simply. We have to exit it. You can add it for tie also in the same method. Now I'll tell you. I told you that 9 buttons are there. Now let us see how that 9 buttons I have inserted in it, and what are the uses of 9 buttons, and how the value is displayed. See, 9 buttons I have displayed here. That's all. Only this 9 buttons enough. So first button. This is to create the button tk. Tk is calling the tinker value. Then text is equal to, simply I'm leaving it inside. If I press anything like X or something here, then in that button X will be displayed. That I don't want, so that's why I'm leaving it simply. Then font is equal to Times New Roman I'm giving, and the size I'm giving as 26, and I'm giving as bold. If you want more than that, you can increase. Then height, my height of the button is 8, and my width of the button, so height of the button is 4 and 8. It's up to you. And command equal to lambda. See, this is the main function. Command equal to lambda is to play button 1. So what it will happen, it is like a function. It's a function. So command equal to lambda. Lambda is used to call a function. So play button 1. So directly it will come here. So play button 1. When button 1 is clicked, it will come here. And when button 2 is clicked, it will come again here. See, button 2, button 3, button 4, button 5, button 6, button 7, button 8, button 9, button 9. So every button I have created here, I have given the height, width, and I have given the value. I have given it. So when button 1 is pressed, it will go up. So see here, every process is here only. So the process here is, if button 1 is pressed, not button 1, any button, let it be any button, because we are assuming the value. If button is pressed and clicked, then text should be X. At that, after X is displayed, it's becoming false. So next what happens, again when second button is pressed, let it be any button, then the text is 0, sorry, O. At that time it will become true, and again it will go up, and again it will come down, again go up, again come down, again go up, again come down, till that 9 button values come. And in between, if this statement anything from this anything, if example button 7, button 8, button 9, in this 3 X is there, then player X has 1, or in here X is there, player 0 as player O as 1, like that will come. And here we are declaring global TK. So the meaning of global TK is it is globally declared, so anyone can use it and anyone can access. The use of lambda is lambda play button 1. It will take the value button 1 will come here. It will just take this value button 1, and button 1 will come here. For example, if I think I am pressing button 3, so button 3 will come here. Then click, if button 3 equal, that is the first button I am pressing, then X will come. Then let it be button 2. Button 2 will come here. So it's false. Now it will go down. Else if it will go to else if statement. Then again when I press third button, it will come to if. Again when I press fourth button, it will come to else if. So this is how the code is. So let's see the output once again. See, I am pressing button 1. I am pressing any button. I am pressing it, X is coming. Next I am pressing another button. So O is coming. I am pressing X. Then O. Then X. Then O. So see, congratulations, O player won the game. Do you want to play again? If I press yes, it will come again. If I press no, it will go out. So this is how XO games, or that is TikTok game, can be played in a computer, and this is how it is programmed. Now I hope so you might have understood the program. It's not very difficult. It's very easy and very simple program which even anyone can do. Just remember, you have to create 9 buttons, and you have to create 9 buttons. You have to call that value, and you have to declare a function in global statement. Okay, thank you guys for listening to this video. I'll meet you when I finish my next project in Python. Thank you.